A critical code injection vulnerability has been discovered in Open WebUI, tracked as CVE-2025-64496. Reports indicate the flaw affects all versions up to 0.6.34 and allows attackers to hijack user sessions through fake model servers. According to Cato Network's researchers, malicious server sent events deliver JavaScript that steals JSON web tokens from browser storage, enabling full account takeovers. Sources confirm stolen tokens grant attackers access to chats, documents, API keys, and even remote code execution via unsandboxed Python on enterprise workspaces. The issue stems from the Direct Connections feature, which was patched in version 0.635 through back-end changes in a recent GitHub commit. Industry experts warn that Open WebUI's widespread use in large organizations heightens the risk of data theft and network breaches. What this means is enterprises must upgrade immediately and consider stricter security like HTTPO-only cookies. Watch for further advisories as more organizations assess their deployments.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.